Have you ever experienced the life of a person who lives on frugal means? He might live off the basics by consuming simple meals, wearing plain clothes, and avoids buying expensive non-essential articles. He may even walk through the rain as if it is a normal day, which offers him dual benefits of having a free shower and saving him the cost of an umbrella. Just kidding, this is being stingy, literally speaking. Hey go-getters, welcome back to another profitable episode of The Early Investors, where you can learn how to become financially free. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to start at 20 and retire by 30. Want to become the next Warren Buffett? Stay with me to find out all the tips and tricks to save your hard-earned simoleons. Before we jump into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more business-related content. What I am trying to preach is not about getting a rich quick scheme to lead a luxurious life. Just like I have mentioned before, it's about living off the basics so that you can retire at an early age and start your own passionate venture, or whatever. Also, the whole economy would come to a standstill if each and every one of you followed my instructions and started saving. But for those who are committed enough, it works wonders. So, prior to getting into the main part, let me introduce you to the FIRE community. Financially Independent, Retire Early. FIRE is a movement solely committed to helping people enter into a program of extreme savings and investments that allows the person to retire far earlier than traditional budgets and retirement plans would allow. This is our head start. When we get to know more about people who are in a similar pursuit as ours, it becomes a great inspiration. The main aim of this strategy is to achieve the crossover point, where your passive income should meet or exceed your liabilities. Crossover point is the point where you leave your job and spend the rest of your year in retirement. It is easy to put into practice once you are willing to follow the plan that I have divided into many phases. Also, check out the Reddit user Atlas Void that has compiled a flowchart which is simple and easy to understand. It is all about guiding you to direct your money to be financially free. You can download the page according to your desired dimension. First of all, you need to keep track of all your money transactions and flow. This step is critical because it makes you aware of your current financial status so that you can spend your money more effectively. There are lots of apps that would help you in this matter, like the YNAB that helps you budget the dollars that you have right now. They have helped hundreds of thousands of people get out of debt and gain control of their money. However, this is a paid app. You might want to use the Mint app, which is a free personal finance tool that can make budgeting and expense tracking paying easy. It can even track your credit score. The first step in your money dealings is to pay your rent or mortgage. You can't just go about saving money when you don't have a place to rest your head on. This is an essential step where you prioritize spending money on the basic things. Then, you need to shop your groceries smartly. Did you know that the average American spends 10.5% of their yearly income on food? If you pay attention to your monthly grocery bill, this number shouldn't come as a shock to you. What you need are some simple ideas to make frugal meals so you can feed yourself with healthy food and at the same time, save money. It is also important to learn to cook and prepare meals that cost as little as $1 to $2 to save as much of our incomes as possible. Then, you need to focus on paying for other essential utilities such as water, electricity, gas, and heating, along with essential hygiene items like toiletries. You don't want to be stingy enough to be stinky. Let the water pour over you and feel fresh. Next, you'll have to put in some money into buying equipment or other services that will allow you to earn an income, such as the internet, phone, car. As the FIRE community suggests, it is better to move near your workplace, or instead, you can use a bicycle. Improves health and reduces pollution. In the next stage, you will have to direct your attention to the healthcare section. For those who find it unfair to pay $300 every month, there is a loophole. You can pay a meager amount to a church in return for health insurance. It is not real, but at least it will exempt you from paying a fine when the government finds that you do not have proper health insurance. You have to make a wise decision when it comes to paying debts and loans. Pay on a minimal level. Phase 1. This phase is not mandatory for everyone, or 1 month's worth of expenses. If you have any dividends like the Robinhood dividend stock portfolio, you can stock money and use in case of emergency. Dividends are very popular among investors because they provide steady income and are a safe investment. On Robinhood, when you find a company you like, look at the EPS, that is earnings per share. Dividends are paid every 3 months. Pay any non-essential bills here as well, like the cable, internet, and phone. Next comes Phase 2. Since I said the first phase is not compulsory, you can directly approach Phase 2 and finally start to invest. If your company offers a 401k, do this and forget about Robinhood and individual stocks. A 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement account. It allows an employee to dedicate a percentage of their pre-tax salary to a retirement account. These funds are invested in a wide range of vehicles like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and cash. All you have to do is just contribute up to the company match and nothing more. The rest will save for later. If your company offers the HSA plan or healthcare savings account, consider prioritizing the HSA over your 401k because HSAs are triple tax advantaged. An HSA works with a health plan that has a high deductible. You can save money in your HSA account before taxes and use the funds to pay for eligible healthcare expenses. HSAs can also help you save for retirement when you can use the funds to pay for general living expenses without penalty. Phase 3. Then you make payments on mid to high interest rate debts of 10% or higher by using any of the available options like the avalanche or the snowball methods. The debt avalanche method is a way to pay down debt by getting rid of your balance with the highest interest rate first. With this payoff strategy, you make minimum monthly payments on all your debts, but pay extra toward your debt with the highest interest rate until it's gone. Phase 4. By this point, you should have some income left. Then you can consider investing that money in a tax advancement retirement account like IRA. Investments held in IRAs can cover a wide range of financial products, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Because IRAs are meant for retirement savings, there is usually an early withdrawal penalty of 10% if you take the money out before age 59 and a half. If you need to purchase things that will help you grow your income, such as equipment for YouTube, then consider saving it in a high-yield savings account. Phase 5. The goal of this phase is to save at least 15% of your taxable income for retirement. An easy rule of thumb says that you'll need to save 70 to 80% of your pre-retirement income to lead a good retired life. If you are a freelancer, consider opting the 401k, because that would really help you to pay a lot less in taxes. So guys, this is it. Hope you have found the video productive. When you're willing to encompass thrift as a lifestyle, you're able to live your life and spend your money with intention. What you need to do is be organized and creative. After all, frugality is an art. It's a part of lifestyle design that can contribute to your overall well-being. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. See you later.